Hey, it's Ryan. I wanted to give you a quick overview of our leaf spring shims here. So these are going to go in between the leaves in your leaf pack. And the premise of this is how to soften up that initial hit on a speed bump or big bump in the rear of a 3/4 or 1 ton truck without sacrificing the trailer, your towing capacity and your payload capacity. And so we're going to be a little softer on that initial spring right here, but then once it gets into the full leaf pack, you're still going to have your overload and everything else. So we'll zoom in here and you can see super affordable option. We just have a shim between the first and second and the second and third leaves here, and have that all installed with our pin kit and some new U-bolts. So that's just going to soften up the rear of this F-250 on the day-to-day a little bit and then still let it tow great. We've also got our traction, our Torx bars installed here, traction control system. That allows us to shim between this traction control leaf and the axle leaf pack, and still control the axle wrap really well. So super easy install, but if you have any questions, let us know. As always, thank you.